What separates an ordinary yard from one that makes people slow down and stare? It's usually not the lawn, it's not expensive landscaping, and it's definitely not luck. Smart homeowners don't just plant trees, they plant investments. The right tree can boost curb appeal, provide cooling shade, increase privacy, attract wildlife, and even add value to your property. But not every tree is worth planting. Today, we're counting down 10 trees smart homeowners plant first. These are trees that professionals love, and homeowners rarely regret. Stick around to the end. You will miss the one tree that beats all 9 combined. And if you love trees and landscaping, subscribe to Plant Realm and let's get started. Number 10. Eastern Redbud. The Eastern Redbud proves a tree does not need to be huge to make a huge impact. In early spring, before most trees even wake up, its branches explode with vibrant pink flowers. One of the first colorful displays of the season. Once the flowers fade, heart-shaped leaves appear. They give the tree an elegant look. All summer long, because it stays compact, it's perfect for front yards and smaller landscapes where space is limited. It's also very adaptable, thriving across the eastern United States for instant charm without overwhelming your yard. The Eastern Redbud is an easy choice. Number 9. River Birch. If you want a tree that looks beautiful in every season, the river birch deserves your attention. Its peeling bark creates year-round interest, especially in winter, when most trees look bare. Unlike many birches, river birch handles heat, humidity, and wet soil remarkably well. It also grows faster than many ornamental trees, so you can enjoy shade much sooner. Its graceful canopy moves beautifully in the wind, adding movement and texture to your yard. It's one of those trees that makes your whole property feel more established. Number 8. Serviceberry. The serviceberry is one of the most underrated trees in America. In spring, delicate white flowers cover its branches. By early summer, it produces small edible berries, loved by birds. Then in autumn, the leaves turn stunning shades of orange and brilliant red. Very few trees offer this much beauty in such a manageable size. It's an excellent option if you want something attractive every month without needing a massive yard. Number 7. Southern Magnolia. Few trees make a stronger first impression than the Southern Magnolia. Its large, glossy evergreen leaves give your yard a luxurious look all year, and its enormous creamy white flowers become the centerpiece every spring. These fragrant blooms can reach up to 12 inches across, filling the air with a sweet scent that's impossible to ignore. Although southern magnolias grow at a moderate pace, they are an investment that pays off for generations. They provide excellent shade, exceptional curb appeal, and timeless southern charm. If your goal is to make your home stand out without constant work, this tree deserves a spot on your list. Number 6. Japanese Maple. When it comes to elegance, few trees can compete with the Japanese maple. Its graceful branches and finely textured leaves create a living work of art, available in shades of green, crimson, burgundy, and even orange. There is a variety to match almost any landscape, even in smaller yards. This tree becomes an instant focal point. But the real show begins in autumn, when its leaves turn breathtaking shades of red, orange, and gold. Smart homeowners often use Japanese maples near patios, entryways, or garden beds, where their beauty can be seen up close. Number 5. White dogwood. The white dogwood is one of America's favorite ornamental trees, and for good reason. Every spring, it's covered with elegant white blooms that brighten the entire yard. Throughout summer, its rich green leaves create a soft, welcoming canopy. Then as temperatures cool, the leaves turn vibrant shades of deep red and purple, even in winter. Bright red berries remain on the branches, attracting songbirds and adding seasonal interest. Few trees provide this much beauty. During every season of the year, it's a classic choice that never goes out of style. Number 4, American holly. If you want your landscape to look alive even during winter, the American holly is hard to beat. Its glossy evergreen leaves remain beautiful all year, while bright red berries provide stunning contrast. During the colder months, beyond its beauty, this tree offers practical benefits too. Its dense leaves create natural privacy, serve as a windbreak, and provide shelter for birds and wildlife. Many homeowners also love its festive look. During the holiday season, plant one today, and you'll enjoy its beauty every month of the year. Number 3, tulip tree. The tulip tree is one of the fastest growing shade trees you can plant. Within just a few years, it becomes a tall, majestic tree, capable of providing impressive shade across your yard. Its unique tulip-shaped flowers appear in late spring, adding unexpected color high in the canopy. Because of its rapid growth and straight trunk, it's often chosen for larger properties, where homeowners want quick results. As it matures, it becomes one of the most impressive trees in the landscape if you have enough space. This tree is a long-term investment you'll appreciate every summer. Number 2, autumn blaze maple. It's easy to see why the autumn blaze maple has become one of the most popular trees in America. It combines rapid growth with incredible fall color. During spring and summer, it develops a full symmetrical canopy that provides generous shade. But once autumn arrives, the transformation is unforgettable. Its leaves burst into brilliant shades of fiery red that often last for weeks. It's also highly adaptable, cold-hardy, and relatively low maintenance for homeowners looking for both beauty and function. This tree checks nearly every box. Number 1, live oak. If there were one tree that represents strength, beauty, and lasting value, it would be the live oak. This iconic tree is famous for its massive spreading canopy, thick twisting branches, and extraordinary lifespan. Some live oaks have stood for hundreds of years, becoming the centerpiece of historic homes and beautiful neighborhoods throughout the southern United States. Beyond its stunning appearance, it provides exceptional shade, helps lower cooling costs, and instantly gives a property a mature, established look. Landscape designers often consider it one of the best long-term investments a homeowner can make. Plant a live oak today, and future generations may still be enjoying its beauty decades from now. That's exactly why it earns the number 1 spot on our list. So, which of these trees would you plant first? Comment OAK if you're team number 1 or maple if you're team number 2. Let's settle this. And if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Plant Realm, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next landscaping guide. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.